Hello students, welcome back to our channel General Studies with Anup K. Verma. As you see in the as you see on the screen, the question paper and this paper is related with the Telangana state, and in Telangana state the basically TS police constable exam has been held on 28th of August. 28th of August, Telangana police constable exam has been conducted in various parts of the state. So in this particular video I am discussing or basically giving trying to give the correct solution or correct answer of the questions related with the specially GS, or you can say that general awareness part. And for this in this particular video I am focusing on that questions only. So rest of the questions like English and the reasoning or mathematics part I am skipping this in this particular video. So we are going to start with the question number 1, that is 51 number question. In 51 number question, match of the following question is this, and in this particular question the correct answer is here. First question, correct answer is option number 3. Okay, next question, 52 number question asks that the forces between charged particles is called as, this is called as, option number 1 is correct answer here, electron magnetic field. Okay, next we are moving with the next question. In next question here is also a match of the following question. So in this, name of the scientist and the major contribution in different fields. After solving these all the things, you will find the correct answer of option number 3. Okay, option number 3 is the correct answer. Next, 54th question. In this particular question, unburned carbon particles causes the following problem. Which kind of problems will cause? This will cause the respiratory problems. Option number 4 is the correct answer. Boiling point of water in Kelvin scale is, so here is the correct answer of 373.15. Which of the following gases is raised into the air by automobile exhaust? From the automobile exhaust, the mainly gases are carbon monoxide, okay, which contributes around 35% in atmosphere. Next question, 57th number question. Which type of ecological adaptation are present in plants? Those grows in condition where temperature is 25 degrees Celsius and the rainfall is less than 25 centimeter per year. So here actually in this part I have a little bit doubt in this particular question, so this time I am skipping this particular question. Okay, next question is that by consuming in a large quantity, which of the following alcohol causes blindness and even death? So here 58th question number, correct answer is methanol. Option number option number 2 is the correct answer. Option 2 is the correct answer. Next, 59th question. This is also a match of the following question, so I'm giving the correct answer for this particular question. So in 59th question, correct answer is option number 4. In 60th question, correct match is that this is also a match of the following question. In 60th question, correct answer is option number 2. 70th question, and which gas leaked during the Bhopal gas tragedy in 1984? So here is the methyl isocyanide. Option number 3 is the correct answer. Option number 3. Next question is 62 number question. Here is the question that mosquito repellent uses at the home is in the form of coil or liquid. Is a 62 correct answer is option number 3, insecticides. What happens when a chemical constituent leaves in a leaves before leaf fall? So here 63rd question, correct answer is option number 4, nitrogen in the form of amino acids is carried out. 63rd question, option number 4 is correct answer. Next we are moving with 64th question. So in 64th question, correct answer is option number D, Hyderabad. Option number 4, Hyderabad. Next question, how many pillars were identified under Digital India program? So in 65th question number, correct answer is option number 2, 9. Then 66th question, correct match is, this is a match of the following. So in 66th question, correct answer is option number 1. Okay, option number 1 is the correct answer. Okay, 67th question. in 67th question, an electron moving in a straight line entering into the non-zero magnetic field and goes deviated. The angle between the direction of its motion and magnetic field is 67th correct answer is 90 degree. Option 4 is the correct answer. Okay. Next 68th number question. So in 68th number question, which of the following compound is present in a bacterial cell, plant and in animal cells? So here is the correct answer is cellulose. Option number 1 is the correct answer for this particular question. Option number 1. Which of the following contains CFC? CFC, chlorofluorocarbon. Which of the following contains? That is refrigerant. Option number 3 is the correct answer. Next 70th question. In 70th question, world energy needs are rising mainly due to. This is the correct answer here is option number 2. Increasing population and industrialization. NDMA, Natural Disaster Management Authority, is headed by the. This is headed by the. Option 4 is the correct answer, Prime Minister. Okay. Option 4 is the correct answer, Prime Minister. 71st question. Okay. Next question. 72 number question. The constituent of German silver alloy is. So here is the constituent. That is correct answer is option number 4, copper, zinc and nickel. 73rd number question. Which of the following field does not have a Nobel Prize? So in the field of Nobel Prize, which does not have a field of Nobel Prize, that is in the field of mathematics. In the field of mathematics, there is no provision for the Nobel Prize. Okay. Next 74th question. Escape velocity from the earth, that is 11.2 kilometer per second. Option 2 is correct answer. Which of the following is an operating system? 75 correct answer is option number 4 is the correct answer, Linux. Okay. That is option number 4 is the correct answer. Which of the following has a 5 time zones? 5 time zones, that is in Canada, Switzerland and India and China. Okay. So in 76, actually in Canada is the correct answer. I hope so. Option number first is the correct answer. Okay. Next we are moving with the 77 number question. India's rank in the World Competitiveness Index in 2022. So in this question, correct answer is option number 2, 37. Smallpox is caused by the variola virus. Option 2 is correct answer. Venn diagram represents 79th question na 79th question. So here 79 I am skipping because that's a reasoning part. So in 80th question number 80, asks that which of the following is a finer sedimentary material. So 80th question, correct answer is sand. Okay. Who discovered rock art site at Bhimpetka? So here is the correct answer for the 81st question. Correct answer is option number 2, V.S. Wanekar. Question number 82. So in 82, correct answer is option number 2, Al Walid. Option 2 is the correct answer. 83rd number question number 83rd. Correct answer is in question number 83, that is option number 2, Nizam Ali Khan. And 84th is basically a aptitude part. I am skipping this one. Next 85th number question. Dash ship was decommissioned at naval dockyard in Mumbai. So here which ship? So correct answer is here is that INS Gomti. Option number 4 is the correct answer. So next question is correctly matched. Which of the following is not correctly matched? So 86 correct answer is option number 3. Okay. Option number 3 is the correct answer for this 86 number question. 87 number question. Dash leads to the sugar in the number world. Recently Indian government announced that India is the largest exporter of the sugar in the world. Earlier it was Brazil, but now we can say that India is in the leading sugar exporter. Option number 1 is the correct answer. Which of the following IVC site is the largest? So first of all, IVC, Rakhi Gadi is the largest, but after Rakhi Gadi, the correct answer is Mohenjo-daro. Option number 1 is correct answer. Which of the following mountains is formed due to stress? Stress is formed by the basically Himalayas, fold mountains basically. Option 1 is correct answer. 90th question. So in the question number 90, correct answer is question number 90, correct answer is option number 2, Hyderabad, Junagadh and Kashmir. Okay. Next question, 57th, 91 number question. Who received 57th Janpith Award? So here is the correct answer of 91 number question. Option number D. Okay. Damodar Mauzo is the correct answer. Next question is 92 number question. 92 number, who was the author of the book basically Shiva Yoga Saram. So here 92 number question, actually I have a little bit doubt in this particular question, because which I know that writer is not known for this particular book, so doubt in the particular question, so I am leaving this question also. Okay. Next we are moving with the next question. So this is also a aptitude part, we are skipping these questions. Next, 96 number question. 96 question number, Lok Sabha accepted the separation of Telangana bill, so on 18th February 2014. Okay. Third option is correct answer. Chronology पे आपको you have to arrange these wars basically or battles in the chronological order. So after arranging all the things, the correct answer will be option number 3. Okay. Next question is also a match of the following. So in 98 number question, correct answer is option number 2. Okay. Option number 2 is the correct answer. Okay. We will move with the 99th number question. So here Kartarpur Sahib corridor connects Gurdwara Darbar Sahib in Pakistan with India, which Dera Baba Nanak shrine in Gurdaspur. That is option number 1 is the correct answer for this particular 99 number question. 100 question is of mathematics. Next, 101 number question. So in 101, largest producer of chili is the Andhra Pradesh. Option number 4 is the correct answer. In 102 number question, 102, little bit doubt in this question, I am skipping this time. Next question, 103. So in 103, Mehboob Shahi Mill, 1884, it is located in Gulbarga. Option 2 is the correct answer for this 103 number question. Okay. Next, 104 is also of aptitude part. Next, 105 question. So in 105, which vaccine is given usually for the age group of 5 to 15? That is diphtheria. Option number 4 is the correct answer. So in 106, correct answer is option number 2. Okay. Option number 2 is the correct answer for this 106 number question. Next, 107. In 107, this first woman combat pilot of Indian Army. So here is the correct answer of Captain Abhilasha Barak. Option number A. Sorry, option number 1. Okay, sorry, not for A. That's a 1. Next question is question number 108. So in 108, correct answer. Sorry, this is basically mathematics part. I am skipping this one. 109. PK Sinha recently stepped down from which position? So 109 correct answer is option number 2, principal advisor to the Prime Minister. Option number 2 is the correct answer. 110. In which year does Ramji Gond revolt against the Nizam of Hyderabad held? So 110 correct answer is 1855. Okay. Next, Navneet Kaur, the player recently in news, belongs to which field? She is from the hockey. Option 2 is the correct answer. Next question, 112. Which place of Telangana region became the prominent military camp during the Kalyani Chalukyas? So 112 correct answer is option number 3. Okay, option number 3 is the correct answer. Question number 112. 113 correct answer is landlocked and protected port. Basically correct answer is here 113 correct answer is option number 4. Okay, option number 4, Vishakhapatnam. Next, 114 number question. So on which line does the date changes by exactly 1 day when it crosses the question number 114? Correct answer is international date line. Option number 3 is the correct answer. Next question is aptitude part. I am skipping that one. 116. 116 correct answer is which of the following state or union territory is the home of Pir Panjal range? That is option number 4, Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. Next 117 number question. Who appointed the Supreme Court judge? So who appointed Supreme Court judge? That is the president. Okay, option number 4 is the correct answer. Recently mega merge of bank and non-banking finance company involved. So here is the correct answer is 118, option number 1, HDFC and FTFC banks. Okay, so next question is Danish Siddiqui, the Pulitzer Prize winner for the feature photograph, worked for. He is working for the Reuters. Option 2 is the correct answer. 120 reasoning part, I am skipping that one. 121 121 just a minute. 120 correct answer, 120 I am skipping this time. 121. So in 121 Kohinoor found is that Kolar. Option number 1 is the correct answer for 121. 122 correct answer is 122. Correct answer is option number 4, none of the above. Next 124th question number. So here the schedule of Indian Constitution, that is our 12 schedules. So 125 number question. In 125 question I have a little bit doubt in this particular question. I am skipping this one this time. Next 126 and 127 number question. Oldest speech of Indian language, that is the basically Sanskrit, but here I think the correct answer will be the Dravidian languages, Tamil. Basically option number 2 is the correct answer. So 128 number question. So which newspaper not related with this person? So here is the correct answer is option number 2. Okay, next है 129 number question. So in 129 number question, Dakshina Patpati was the title of Satvahana king of from the basically 129 correct answer is option number 3. Okay, option number 3 is the correct answer for this 129 number question. 130 question, correct answer is Satyagrahi is not related with the Gandhiji. Next, who of the following who was the first Indian who have dissected the dead body in the modern time? Here is the correct answer is 131, option number D. Okay, Madhusudan Gupta is the correct answer, option number 4. Next 131 number question. G7 47 summit held at England, UK. Option number 1 is correct answer. 133 number question, in which Qutub Shahi Sultan court Adaki Gangadhari Kavi was in? He was in Ibrahim Quli Qutub Shah. That is option number 1 is the correct answer. No, sorry, 133. No? Yeah, one option is correct answer. Next 134. Which one of the what is the name of the Sikandrabad? Old name of Sikandrabad. Old name of Sikandrabad was a Devdi. Option 4 is the correct answer. Next 135 question. Correct answer. Actually, in this question I have a doubt in this particular question. Next, I will moving with the next question. First state implement the RTI Act, that was the Tamil Nadu here. Here is the correct answer, option number 1. Okay. Next, which Qutub Shahi Sultan was murdered in 1543 CE by his own son Jamshid. So here is the correct answer, that is Sultan Quli Qutub ul Mulk. Option 1 is the correct answer. 137 question. 138 question. Siddheshwara temple built by the Rudradev 1. Option 1 is the correct answer. 139th question. So in 139th question, correct answer is option number 4, Dwarika, Badrinath and Srinagar, Puri. Okay. Next, 140th question, that is Elysee Palace is an official residence of President of the France. Option number 3 is a correct answer. Okay. Next question, 144 I am skipping, 142 is also skipping. 143 question number. So in 143 question, related with the Andaman and Nicobar Island, Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park जो है, this is related with the Andaman and Nicobar Island. 144th question, Buddha. 144th question, correct answer is option number 1. Okay, Hyderabad. 144th question, correct answer. Next question is 145. Actually, I have a doubt in this particular question also. So in 146 is skipping this time also. Next, different from this one. Okay. So next 2-3 questions we will do once again. So in this particular question, Council of Minister of Government of India is controlled by. So actually, Council of Minister is responsible towards the Lok Sabha only. Okay, option 2 is the correct answer. 149th question. So Nikhat Jareen won the gold medal. Basically, this is a Commonwealth game which is held in Birmingham. So Turkey is different, Poland is different, Tokyo is different. I hope so. Option is not available, Birmingham, but if I can say that option 1 maybe the correct answer. Maybe I have a doubt in this particular, but I think option number 1 is maybe the correct answer. Which commission is appointed by the British government to inquire the Indian expenditure? So that commission is Welby Commission. Okay, so in this particular video we are closing with this 150 question. Rest of the questions we will discuss in the next part. So thank you for watching.